Today I am making the greens jammies. What you will need is bread, butter, jam, and a cookie cutter. Now the traditional would be round, but I'm using heart, and instead of using strawberry or raspberry jam, which is not seedless in my area, I'm using blackberry, which is seedless. On to the recipe. First thing we're going to do is shape it. And all you gotta do is put your cookie cutter in the center, like that, and press down super hard so it goes all the way through, and just pull it all the way around. And you can always go back and freshen up the edges, but it should be pretty good. Let me freshen up the edges. Kind of like making cookies. There we go. Let me see. Let me make sure that there we go. Let me get the crumbs out of the way. And when it is totally smooth, then you pop it out. See, that's what it looks like. We're going to make two in that shape for one sandwich. And I made some more over there. I'll show you later on. The thing I'll be doing is just buttering it. And you just butter it like you normally would. The nice thing about making this shape, and you can actually use any shape you like for these sandwiches. The traditional is round if you want to go that route. This is a good idea for kids, because for kids you can actually use any shape that you like. You can even trick them into eating stuff that they normally won't eat. Yeah, put it on a heart-shaped thing or whatever shape they like. If you can get your hands on a dinosaur cutter, you can make them into dinosaur sandwiches, and they'll chow down on them. They might not even look inside what's in them because they like dinosaurs. You know, it all depends what they like. The next thing you're going to do is put some jam on it. And it's not hard to make these sandwiches. I need more jam. And this is seedless jam. So everyone that knows my health issues with diverticulitis, it's seedless. You don't have to worry. Linda's been good on her diet. I'm good that way, at least. I had to give up the strawberries. The only way I could actually eat a strawberry. And this is the truth. They told me I would have to basically peel them to get the seeds out, and only have two. That sucks. When do you guys know me to eat only two strawberries? Never. Never in a million years. You know, I'm being honest. I don't do just two. I do a whole strawberry shortcake, and you know I smother that sucker with strawberries and whipped cream. Because I'm that kind of girl. And you put the top on. And then I'll show you the rest that I made. I made some earlier. Okay. That's what they look like. I'll be back for the final review. Now, here is what they look like when they're done. Now, if you want to use jelly on these, you actually can use jelly. You could even use apple butter if you want to use apple butter. It doesn't matter to me. But for the traditional royal jammies, they use jam. They use strawberry or raspberry. I use blackberry. And they use round instead of heart. But I like the heart. But if you want to use a different shape, go right ahead. This is what it looks like when it's done. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.